Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Santa. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. We're even going to color it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Stick around. You're going to have a great time, and so am I. So, all right, let's jump into this drawing real fast. Like I said, it's only 8 minutes, so stick around till the very end of the video. It's very, very short. And that's it. Let's get going. If you like learning how to draw stuff, definitely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I go over stuff like Dinosaurs, Godzilla, uh, Pokemon, anything you can think of, the Marvel movies, Among Us. I go over everything. Absolutely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification for these short lessons, and you can learn how to draw over the course of time, right? Okay, let's get going here. First thing I'm going to do with Santa is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw his eye, his button eye. It's going to be a circle. Circle over here. I'm going to fill that in. I want to have these button eye shapes. Right on. I'm going to go here, curve line here for the nose. Over here I'm going to pull out here for the mustache, at least the top part of the mustache, right? Over here, part of the mustache here. Whoops, daisy. Curve line down, curve line down. I'm going to start out, maybe on the outside over here, and I'm going to continue this to a large beard. I'm going to go over here, come around the far end for this side. Line over here for the side of his face, line over here for the side of his face. And I'm going to go over here and go to the brim of the hat. And as I do that, I'm kind of making it jaggedy, that brim of that hat. Over here, same thing. So the other part of the brim. The brim is this big furry, cylinder thing that goes around the head, almost like a wreath. It's funny because he looks funny right now. It looks like he's got a different hairstyle. Go over here to the left. Curve for the top of that hat. Down. Pulling in on this side. Up. Line over here. Smile right here. Lines at the edge of the smile. If you want, you can draw like ears over here. Like right there, one ear and another ear. Okay. But we just want to like keep it simple. Let's draw his eyebrows underneath that hat. One right there. One over here. And let's draw the ball and the edge of that hat, right? Real simple stuff. Really, 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 really simple stuff. All right? Can't get any easier than this. I mean, I guess it can, but line over here for the inside of the ear. Maybe a line underneath here for under the mouth. Let's get into coloring real quick, all right? Coloring simple. I'm using a Prismacolor marker. I don't talk about this a lot, but the reason I use this marker for coloring as opposed to this one is because when I use Crayola, and I put it through the black Crayola, because I use Crayola for the black, I like the way it handles. But when I use it for this, the coloring, and I put it, let's say it touches the black, it completely starts reactivating and seeping in. Maybe because it's the same company. I don't know what it is. This one doesn't do that. Prismacolor does not do that. So I can put it right through the black marker of the other kind, and it will not smear. The reason I'm using marker, by the way, is because it's just simple to demonstrate. It's not like I'm recommending marker per se. I do recommend it if you have like an open window, because these have like a weird smell to them. Definitely open the window when you do this. But yeah, like I said, I do recommend these. I'll put these in the description, by the way. The Prismacolor. I forgot how much they were on Amazon. I bought these like 10 years ago, so I completely forgot what they cost. See right here, I'm just kind of putting it in real flat right there. Right on. Let's go into his skin. What would his skin be? Let me see. Kind of like this beige kind of look that I haven't really gone over. I do have a beige in a Copic. By the way, I also recommend Copics. Let's go over here. Right there. See, this one doesn't smear either when it touches the black of the other one. Just going over here and doing it flat. The idea is I want it to be moist around the same time. I'm gonna leave a highlight here in the nose. And I keep going in to these other ones. Like I said, definitely hit the like. It's not easy to color this as a for a demonstration. Definitely hit that like button if you like this. Supports the channel. Help me out since I'm helping you out. Then over here, I'm gonna take a really light blue. I'm gonna take the Prismacolor on that one, and I'm gonna go along the edge right here of the white areas. The reason I do that is because it gives it like it's reflecting light off something, and the closest thing to white usually is blue as far as the colors, and I guess you could say yellow, but I would say blue where it looks attractive and it looks good. I would say definitely hit the blue right here. Everything that's white, so his beard included, right along the beard. Just putting a line here on the edge. I have like a dust bunny on my hand. I don't know what that is. It's like a dust ball. All right. Over here. Just continuing to do that. Just along the edge. I just kind of line up every edge here of the white. And that's it. You have Saint Nick. It gives it a more 3D look as well. If you ever wanted to do this, you could do like a thicker shadow here on the bottom maybe. But you don't have to do that, right? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing. If you want to learn more about drawing in general and you like the way I teach, go check out my Skillshare. The link is in the description. Go look at that right now. Basically what that is if you're a beginner artist, like everything's for beginners on there. You can learn how to draw the head, the body, the muscles, the anatomy. I go over anime. I go over dinosaurs. I go over like all kinds of stuff over there in immense detail. So like the stuff over here is great. These are 10-minute drawings, to show you how to do it. Over there, it's more like hour-long stuff, where I kind of go into it a little bit more deep, explain to you. People that really want to sit there for an hour and stuff like that. So go check those out because they're normally a lot of money, but it's completely free for a month when you click that link over there. You get the whole thing for free, okay? Go take a look at that if you're serious about it. If not, for everybody else, I'll see you here as well. Talk to you later.